Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I am on my way to Änggårdsbergen, which is a nature reserve that is actually quite in the middle of Gothenburg. My name is Lisa and I work as a wildlife photographer, filmmaker and presenter. On this channel I take you along on some of my expeditions around the world to hopefully spark love and will to take care of this beautiful nature of ours. But I will also include you in my journey to live more sustainable and in sync with nature. I hope you will join me. And today I want to show you how heath, ponds and forest all play a special role in nature reserve when it comes to biodiversity. So come with me. Habitats are places in nature where insects, plants and animals live that share the same conditions like soil, moisture and light. And having many different habitat types close together make a place more full of life because different species need different conditions. On this heathland, the soil is thin and the sun hits hard. And it's quite windy. There are only some plants that could live here, like lichens, heather, some grasses and mosses. But this habitat is super important for insects, beetles, butterflies that need sun and dry soils. And if places like this start growing over, these open habitats disappear and with them, those sun-loving insects. By the lakes, ponds and wetlands, we can find insects like dragonflies, we can find salamanders, frogs, and of course birds that eat those insects that live around this habitat. And these wet habitats are vital as breeding grounds, hiding places for larvae, but also as sources of food. And without them, a lot of species that move between land and water would vanish. And here's the magic. When habitats are close and connected, they act as a kind of mosaic. An insect might live on the heath, rest in the forest shade, but lay eggs by the pond. Birds might nest in shrubs, but feed on open land. Yeah, you get the point. This connectivity lets life adapt, move and survive. And if a habitat is separated or lost, this connectivity is broken, and that might also cause that species disappear. There are of course many ways to protect our nature, like not picking plants that you're not supposed to, don't disturb our wildlife, don't litter, but if you see litter, please take it with you. Support local conservation groups, but also don't forget to spend time in nature, because I strongly believe that it's easier to protect something that we know and we love. Thanks for being here with me diving into the layers of nature. I hope now that when you walk in nature, you might see with different eyes. Leave a comment about your favorite type of nature and come with suggestions on a topic that you would like me to talk more about. It also helps me a lot if you like and subscribe. And until next time, take care of yourself and our nature.